Hello everyone, I'm from Lanzhou University, Gansu, China. The title of the paper we are going to show is Effect of Conditional and Unconditional Cash Transfers for Family Consumption, a Systematic Review. This article is jointly researched by my tutor Lili Wei and classmate Jin Zhang. My name is Yin Yang, and I will report on the progress of the article. I'm sorry that our article is still in progress, and some work needs further consideration and research. Here I can only report the current content of the article and the next plan. Based on the Sustainable Development Goals proposed by the United Nations in 2030, eradicating hunger and poverty are the main goals. Social protection projects aimed at this goal are carried out on large scale, including various forms of cash transfers. Both conditional and unconditional cash transfer are particular social protection tools in developing countries that aim to improve children's health, education outcomes, and other key points. CCTs typically involve the targeted transfer of the money to households living in poverty in exchange for compliance with program mandates. UCTs is universal but geographically targeted to poor districts. All households receive the same amount irrespective of household size. According to the Rational Expectation Permanent Income Hypothesis, CCTs and UCTs are also a type of social protection intervention that impacts household consumption. Cash transfer provides recipients with the freedom of choice to make optimal expenditure decisions. The programs are usually used in developing regions, including Latin America and the Caribbean, Sub-Saharan Africa, Middle East and North Africa, South Asia and North Asia. For example, South Africa implemented Child Support Grant, and Mexico implemented Opportunities Ethiopia's Productive Safety Net Program. To evaluate the impact of cash transfers on family consumption in databases such as EBSCO, Web of Science, Wiley Library, Cochrane Library, Campbell Library. Meta-analysis is the analysis of empirical analyses that attempts to integrate and explain the literature about some specific important parameter. Class is usually credited for the development of meta-analysis. The object of meta-analysis is effect size. We plan to use meta-analysis to review related empirical studies with all estimates of the effect of cash transfers on consumption. Our data collection and description are as follows. We got preliminary screen of 377 articles, and finally we get 50 articles. The research design we included will only contain quantitative evidence, and qualitative evidence will be excluded. The report had to utilize a randomized control trial or a quasi-experimental design, such as RD or PSM, DID or instrument variables. We select the variables of consumption and food basket, expenditure, investment, and productive assets. Here are the distribution of research country, and the USA is the most. And here are the distribution of research publication year. Our main findings are cash transfers will increase the consumption level of most households, and consumption choices are mainly expenditure and assets allocation used for production. There are many different physical asset measures reported in the studies we included in our database. According to the screen results, there are 20 articles on CCTs and 30 articles on UCTs. In the next step, we will carefully extract significant regression estimates and use meta-analysis to draw conclusions. And our discussion is mainly that when formulating policies, the government should pay attention to the efficiency of capital use and investment decisions. Generally speaking, using cash for education and health will help reduce poverty, especially help reduce intergenerational poverty and improve people's living standards. That's all. Thank you very much.